right, we're getting Prime Minister Modi strongly condemning the despicable attack on our security personnel in Gadchiroli, Maharashtra. Breaking it first on Republic TV, tweet coming from the Prime Minister in strong possible words condemning Maoist terror attack. And in the tweet, Prime Minister also says, and I quote, "I salute all the brave personnel. Their sacrifices will never be forgotten. My thoughts and solidarity are with the bereaved families. The perpetrators of such violence will not be spared," unquote. Tweet from Prime Minister, first reaction and strongly condemning this Maoist attack in Maharashtra's Gadchiroli. Once again, let's go back to the tweet by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and I quote again, "Strongly condemn the attack on our security personnel in Gadchiroli in Maharashtra." At the same time, Prime Minister salutes the brave personnel. Remember, Dinesh is with us as we also stay with Prime Minister's tweet. Pradhan Mantri ने इसकी condemnation किया है दिनेश, लेकिन आप हमारे दर्शकों को बता रहे थे ये वही कमांडो यूनिट है जिस कमांडो यूनिट ने लास्ट ईयर कम से कम 30 से ज्यादा माओइस्ट को मार गिराया था। और जिस तरीके से ये प्लानिंग देखी जा रही है, आप बता रहे हैं 200 से 300 तक के माओइस्ट छत्तीसगढ़ और महाराष्ट्र के गढ़चिरौली में इस अटैक को अंजाम देने की कोशिश में थे।
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए लंबे समय से, पिछले साल से जब से महाराष्ट्र पुलिस ने जो गढ़चिरौली में जाके करीब 40 से ज्यादा नक्सलियों को मार गिराया था, उसी के बाद से ये जो है लगातार अटैक
लोगों को हमारा आग्रह है।
ठीक है, एक मिनट। प्रधानमंत्री का बयान आया कि एसपी, बीएसपी और कांग्रेस हमेशा बाबा साहेब
Okay, we'll try and see if Ramdas Athavale reacts on this also. But meanwhile, Dinesh continues to be with us. Dinesh also getting us some latest information as far as the modus operandi of these Maoists. According to sources telling our correspondent Dinesh, around 200 to 300 of these Maoists actually were part of the plot to attack the construction site. The QRT personnel which were there working on the construction site on National Highway 27. These Maoists, as per sources, were part of Maharashtra's Gadchiroli as well as Chhattisgarh. Remember,